Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a little video about how we put FUEs into a scar that we've already revised. And this is a guy that's in the military, and he's about 42 or 43. He had a hair transplant on the West Coast that left him with a fairly, well, I don't know, medium-wide scar and not much growth.
Yeah.
And so I told him, well, let's cut that scar out and put a bunch of hair up and pack the crap out of the top of your head and kill two birds with one stone. And he and his wife just want his scar fixed.
Yeah.
So last year we cut out his scar, and here it is. And we did a 3-layer trichophytic closure, and we got rid of 50% of the scar, which is about what I think we can usually do. Sometimes we get rid of all of it, but 50%. And then he decided he wanted some FUEs in there. So here he is showing his scar, a couple months ago when we got ready to go at him. And then you can see in this picture, we took the FUEs below the incision or below the scar line, and you can see the little recipient slits in the scar. And all we're trying to do is break up the scar.
The line, yeah, because he wears he shaved his head.
Yeah.
Like he wears it very, very short.
Yeah.
And he says that his hair transplant that he did when he was younger. And he said that it was traumatic for him and he didn't want to go through it all over again. So all he wants is his scar to be.
Although I'll bet you $10 that we do a hair transplant before I retire.
So we fixed it. We cut out the scar at that point, and then he came a month after, and he's like, Wendy, do you think we can cut out and get more? But I think the wife stopped him.
Right. So then here he is at the end of FUE. I think we put 350 or so FUEs in there. And you can see we cut him a little chunky and we left him up. And he laid face down for a good week and didn't pull out it. I don't think he pulled out any of our grafts. And then here he is in the kind of the early growing stage, and you can just see that it's broken up the scar. You can't see that white line like you used to.
Yeah.
And we've done a whole bunch of those. There's probably 5 or 6 videos of similar cases. So if we can help you with something like this, please give us a call. Thanks.